What's up, Soul Squad? Welcome to my kitchen. Guys, I don't do a lot of sandwiches on this channel. So I want to show you guys a sandwich that I tried before, and I got it from who? One of my favorite cooking guys, Sam the Cooking Guy. This sandwich goes way back, and I love eggs, and I've been making the sandwiches, and I said, you know what? Let me show this to them. This is a egg salad, shrimp bacon sandwich, guys. I'm telling you, you're gonna love this. It's a good lunch for the family. I'm gonna go ahead and throw my bacon on. Guys, welcome to my channel. To all my new subscribers, and you know what, the subscriber count be looking good, guys. What y'all think? I think we get to 300,000 in the next 2 months by the end of May or by the beginning of June. I think it may be possible for your old girl. I hope you guys enjoying the content. Yeah, but I'm gonna show you guys a good lunch, and it's very tasty, and everybody gonna be like, can we have egg salad all the time? I got my water boiling, because guess what? I'm going to poach my shrimp. Got a bowl of cold water right here with a little bit of ice, because you know what that does? It slows down the cooking. It stops the cooking once you add it to the cold water. But yeah, we're going to let the bacon cook, let the water boil, and we're going to be back in what? 2 and 2. Okay, guys, we're back. So my water is ready to go ahead and throw my shrimps in. Again, we're poaching them, but guess what? Add some Old Bay to it, to the water. As much as you want. I want to make sure my shrimp get that flavor. And these shrimps are deveined, but I peeled them, but they were already deveined. And when you poach shrimps, just like when you're cooking them, it takes what? About 2 to 3 minutes, not that long. We're going to take them out. As soon as you start seeing them getting pink and they're going to start floating, we're going to take them out and add them to the ice water as soon as possible. It's not going to take long. Look, I want that flavor, okay? That's what I'm looking for, that flavor. It's not going to take long. Want to do that, and I hope you guys are really enjoying my content. Look at them. This is going to be a quick video, but it's a sandwich video. We're all home spending time with our family, and you want different things to cook. I know you make egg salad, but do you make this egg salad? Something to make them want more. Oh my goodness, yes. Again, this is my 3rd time making this particular egg salad. I made it last year, but I didn't make a video for it. Again, Sam the Cooking Guy is so amazing guy. I love him. Guys, go check his channel out. Yeah, so quick video, and you know you could do lots more things. And I ain't into all that. You can add celery and green onions, peppers. Make your make your egg salad the way you and your family would eat it, because that's how I'm doing it in my kitchen. Remember, your kitchen your way, my kitchen my way. Yep, I'm telling you, they're gonna like it. They're gonna love it. Ooh, I'm jumping from the bacon. Tell me how professional cook you are, but I'm a home cook. Bacon still make you jump. Look at that. This is poaching. A few minutes, a couple of seconds, and we're gonna stop the cooking process, and they're ready and done. Just like if you're poaching an egg or blanching or something like that. But you know what I'm talking about. And let me check on my shrimp. There's a couple of them looking like they're not ready. But yeah, for the foremost, get a couple more seconds. I'm going to add those to the cold water. And by the time you come back, they're going to be in the cold water. We'll be back. Okay, guys, so the reason I poached these, because you can buy those little solid shrimps, but you know, poach them yourself will be best. And the reason I put them in the cold water is to stop the cooking and just to chill them down. Basically, it's to stop the cooking, but then they'll be nice and cold and ready to go to be chopped up in your egg salad. I might have did too many, but you know, I like a lot of everything. But I'm taking these out, place them on a napkin so that the water, you know, could drain out of them. I don't want no watery egg salad, guys. Again, to avoid the poaching, and if you don't think you could get it right or do it, just buy those little mini salad shrimps that's already did the work. But doing it this way, doing it yourself, I'm telling you, better flavor, better outcome. You're gonna love it. I'm gonna set this to the side because as usual we'll clean our mess up later. Okay, so I chopped up my eggs and we're gonna go in with the shrimps. They're nice and cold, they're done. I get about 3 out of each one. You can do yours a lot smaller, but I want to taste my shrimps in my salad. Ooh, I want to taste the shrimps in the salad. See, some of them I accidentally left that hair on. Okay. And you can do it that way. You know, again, like I tell you guys, whatever you do, it's up to you. It's your kitchen. Do it your way. Love some shrimps. And remember that Old Bay gave it flavor because you posted in the Old Bay seasoning. Man, I got this recipe from Sam the Cooking Guy. It's an old recipe. I don't know if you can still find it on his channel, but again, I made this several times. The family love it, and I thought about it. I'll make an egg salad on the channel. I might as well do what I've been doing, elevate it, you know, make it worth making. All you just do is plain and simple. There's nothing wrong with anything that's quick and easy and the way you like it. Yes. Can I eat one of these shrimp? Oh my God, it's so good. So good. I think this is enough for me. I'm not going to put too many shrimps in there because basically, that shrimp good. It's just to get a taste so somebody else eat those. And I crunched my eggs up. I did about 6 eggs. I think that's enough shrimps. Okay, so I do mustard as much as you want. A little pepper. You could do salt if you like, if you want to do salt. I don't do salt. I'm just not a big fan of that product of salt. So, mayo. And we're going to stir. This is my egg salad. And at this point, this is where you want the green onions, the celery, all that good stuff that you put in your egg salad. Go for it. But I like it simple. Oh, look at that. Nice. Okay, we're going to clear this up because we're going to put together our sandwich. Okay, guys, we're back. I got my lettuce. And I just want to shred it up a little bit. You don't have to do yours like this. But take a piece of it off and then cut it and slice it just like that. Make it loose just like that for your sandwich. I'm telling you, that's the best way to do it. Pluck, I always do that. Pluck a little hole. My son said I'm forever cutting myself. I like tomatoes. I'm a tomato guy.
You can set the tomato down.
Nice and thin or thick. It depends on you, your sandwich. You know, sandwich. Do it your way. Okay. There we go. I'm going to take some extra mayo. Oh, and I use a hoagie roll. When you're doing this, man, this don't go in with no regular white bread. I mean, regular white bread is all you had. But you can use a Kaiser roll, a hoagie, Kaiser, anything that you may want, you know, for your sandwich. Just a little mayonnaise, not a whole lot, just a little. And set that to the side, just to amp it up a little. 1, 2, couple things of hot sauce, y'all. Come on now. Your lettuce. And this is why I like to shred it. And you know, you could buy it already shredded. But to me, it's just like, what? It's a little bit cheaper when you just do it yourself, right? Right. Then you take that shrimp. And that egg salad. Look at that shrimp. Look at that. I use 6 eggs, guys. 6 eggs. Cause I don't know if everybody in here want it. I only got a house full today. But you gotta make sure every bit of the sandwich get like what it needs to get, right? And then you're gonna get that bacon, right? As many pieces. They got, I think, 4. You don't want to overcrowd. That's good, right? That's good. One more. He said one more. And because he's the one going to eat this sandwich. He's saying one more. There you go. Woo! Tell me that. I don't even think I can fold it up. It's going to be an open sandwich because it's the challenge in your house to get that person to fold this sandwich over and go to town. We're going to clean this up, guys. You get the perfect thumbnail. But you know what? Thumbnail will be afterwards. Look at this. The ultimate shrimp, bacon, egg salad sandwich. Like, share, subscribe. And to the next video, guys, come on over. Thanks for getting my flour. Oh, yeah. Excuse me. My cookbook is now available on Amazon. Cooking with SoulfulT. It is available on Amazon. So if you want to go there and get that cookbook, check out some of the good, awesome recipes in that book, guys. I would love it. Yeah. Until the next video, hit the bell to be notified. I said it again because I gotta remind you guys. I'm out.